Hello there, my name is Jason MacDonald, Technical Service Trader here at Manitowoc Ice. Today we're going to go over how to remove, clean, and a little bit about the air filter on our new NEO. Previous versions of the NEO, the filter came out through the bottom. So if you installed this ice machine without its legs, you lost the benefit of tool-free removal. Well, now you still have that benefit because this filter, it pulls out from the front. So pull that thing on out. You'll see this is dirty. What we're going to do is show you how to clean this up real well. Some warm water and mild detergent is really all that you're going to need. So I'm going to wet this up first. See if it's starting to get clean for me. And if not, little dish soap will work just fine. I'm just going to keep rinsing until I don't have bubbles anymore and take a good look at it again. And that looks pretty clean. Reinstallation is important. This is not keyed or pokey-yoked in any way. I can put this in backwards. It went in just fine. Well, the problem with that is that hard plastic there is now blocking off somewhere around 20 or 25% of the condenser. So we take that out. We put this in correctly. It just runs along a track. Now, one thing to remember with this, and this is what everyone seems to forget, whether it's technicians in the field or the owners of the machine, that air filter is supposed to be cleaned every month to help keep grease and dirt off your condenser. Thank you for tuning in. If you liked everything that you saw, please like and subscribe to our channel.